can't help but also look in the area of the digital economy that you talked about. A lot of our viewers out there will think to themselves, are these people just dreamers? Where are they coming from? We're not Chinese, we're not Japanese. How do they think they can facilitate a digital economy in the Southwest as it presently stands? How will you respond to that kind of misgiving, as it were?
It's happening already. The digital space is already out there. You just need, everybody is taking advantage of it as much as possible. But perhaps we need to see areas where you can find bigger opportunities for employing our young people. Don't forget that many of our young people, especially in the Southwest, we're talking of a demographic that I think about 70% of our population is in the youth demography. And where they play is the digital space, mostly. How do you find economic opportunities within that digital space?
Yes, that's my question.
Yeah.
What in your work, in your various work along this line, what have you found out?
I told you about mobile money.
Yes.
That's a big space. About 2 years ago, the CBN was talking about agency banking. Okay, that's also a big space. There are a lot of opportunities in the internet.